Sai Ram. Welcome to Sri Satya Sai Lok Seva Gurukulam online classes. Let's Learn English series with Mrs. Kalpana Heblekar. So, today we are going to learn the names of some aquatic animals with sounds. Okay? Yes. Now, let's learn about some aquatic animals. Now, what are they? Let us see. And first, let us know what are aquatic animals. How many of you know what is aquatic animal? Yes. Let us see. An aquatic animal is an animal either vertebrate or invertebrate that live in water for long time or its entire life. Okay. The animals, aquatic animals are those which live in water for a long time or entire life. They can't stay in the land. On the land, they can't stay. What is vertebrate and invertebrate? Okay, these are the new words. So, you have to learn the spelling. Let us learn vertebrate. V-E-R-T-E-B-R-A-T-E, vertebrate. Since you are learning the language newly, what you have to do is, you have to keep your books ready always. And then you have to write today's date and write aquatic animals. Okay, write the heading and then start writing hard words. Invertebrate, I-N-V-E-R-T-E-B-R-A-T-E, invertebrate animals, A-N-I-M-A-L, animal. Okay, animals that have a backbone inside their body are called vertebrates. Example, fish. Yes, amphibians. See, this is a new word, amphibian. A-M-P-H-I-B-I-A-N-S, amphibians. Reptiles, R-E-P-T-I-L-E-S, reptiles. Okay. Then we have mammals, M-A-M-M-A-L-S, mammals. Okay. Then invertebrates are those animals which do not have a backbone. All of you understood what is vertebrate? Now we will go to invertebrate, those who are not having a backbone. We all of us have backbone, right? Without backbone, what will happen? We'll be bending like this, right? So, invertebrates are those animals which do not have a backbone. They have soft bodies, okay? Like worms. You saw earthworms. Yes, they don't have a backbone. So, they are very soft, okay? Worms, then jellyfish, J-E-L-L-Y-F-I-S-H, jellyfish. Snakes, S-N-A-K-E-S, snakes. Yes, you saw the snakes going crawling like this, right? Yes. So, even crabs and spiders. Now, crabs, you'll say that crabs are having backbones, hard back, but it is not a backbone, okay? It is only a hard covering on them, okay? So, crabs and spiders which have hard shells are also in this category. Means, what is the category meaning? All of you see in the dictionary. I told you how to read and find out new word meaning in the dictionary, right? So, all of you see the word category. Yes, write down and tell me the meaning in the comment box. Yes. Now, let us go some names of aquatic animals. Let us get familiarized, okay? Let's see what are the some sea, ocean and water animals. Crab. Okay, crab. How many of you have seen a crab? Oh, it bites very badly. You know, this sting, no? If you keep your finger here, it will bite so badly that you can't take out. You know, sometimes you have to cut the finger, but you can't cut the, take out that, loosen it. Okay. So, crab. Then we have fish. All of you have seen fish, okay? Either in the aquarium or in the sea. Or rivers also there will be fishes, right? Small fishes. Fish. See the beautiful creation of God, right? And where is the bones? Here, see, it has a bone. It's bone inside also, it has a bone here. Okay? Fish. Then we have seal. Yes, seal. Did you see the seal before? It's very rare. Yes, octopus. Octopus, see? O-C-T-O-P-U-S, octopus. So again a new word for you, write down. Then we have shark, S-H-A-R-K, shark, okay? All of you have seen, mostly in the aquariums it will be there, big aquariums, yeah? Okay, now let's see what are some animals which are living in the sea, ocean and water. Seahorse, S-E-A-C, horse, H-O-R-S-E, seahorse. Yes, see this beautiful creation of God, right? Let us all say thank you God for giving us this beautiful creation. Yes, then we have walrus, W-A-L-R-U-S, walrus. Yes, see, walrus and the baby walrus, yes. Then we have starfish, S-T-A-R-F-I-S-H, starfish. Yes, this is also a joy to our eyes, right? Such beautiful creation, see? It exactly looks like a star. So, which poem do you remember? Yes, Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. How I wonder what you are. What about the world so high? Like a diamond in the sky. Yes. So, it is a starfish. It's so beautiful. See the color on it, and it has got lines properly, as if you have done a glittering work on that. See the creation of God, right? It's deep in the sea. Starfish. Then we have dolphin, D-O-L-P-H-I-N, dolphins. Yes, these are very friendly. Okay. They even talk sometimes, and they jump. And especially when they see small kids around, no, they laugh like anything. Yes, penguin, P-E-N-G-U-I-N, penguin. See this? This is another very, very beautiful animal. Penguin, P-E-N-G-U-I-N, penguin. Then we have shrimp, S-H-R-I-M-P, shrimp, S-H-R-I-M-P, shrimp. Okay. So now let's learn some more. Oyster, O-Y-S-T-E-R, oyster. See, in this oyster, no, there will be pearls, hidden pearls which we wear, no? Yes, pearls. So, it will be there in the deep sea. Then again seagull, S-E-A-G-U-L-L, seagull. See, such a beautiful bird, right? So cute. Yes. Then we have otter, O-T-T-E-R, otter. See the otter? Yes. Then we have sea turtle, C-S-E-A, sea turtle, T-U-R-T-L-E, sea turtle. So, it will be there only in the sea. It will not come out of the water. Okay. Then we have lobster, L-O-B-S-T-E-R, lobster. Yes, lobster. Then after knowing all the names of these animals which are living in the sea, let us have some general knowledge. Okay? Yes. When we speak about the ocean, what are you reminded of? Come on, what are you reminded about? Come on, tell me. Last time I told you in the last few lessons. Yes, very good. See, ocean reminds us that just as the surface of the ocean is very noisy, the depth is calm and silent. Okay? So, what does it remind us? See, it tells us that though we are always, very noisy outside, but inside us, if we sit and think, inside us, there is calmness, lot of calmness. Okay, so we should spend time not in talking and gossiping, but we should spend time in sitting and thinking inwards. Okay, yes, very good. Now, our Swami says, it is in the depth of silence that the voice of God can be heard. Okay, only when it is everything silent, like, the depth of the ocean, that pin drop silence is there, in that silence only we can hear our God talking to us. Now, I had told you in the previous lesson that God is our Hrudayavasi. Okay, He is living in our heart. So, when we talk to Him, sometimes we inquire, we talk to our friends and our friends respond to us, right? Then how can we say that God is responding to us? Yes, that shows that when we talk and we are silent, everything is very silent, that time we can hear the voice of God talking to us. Okay? So we have to always be patient and we have to learn and listen to properly what God has to say to us. Then, as Wayland said, the ocean stirs the heart. That means it will stir our heart, inspire our imagination. Imagination? Yes, imagination, and brings eternal joy to the soul. Yes, when our imaginations are stirred, then we get lot of good ideas. Okay, so it becomes a joy to our soul. We feel very happy and peaceful. Okay. So thank you for listening to me patiently about the aquatic animals. And thank you for visiting Sri Satya Sai Lok Seva Gurukulam online classes Let's Learn English series with Mrs. Kalpana Heblik. Thank you so much.